Welcome to the Selenium Screenshots Guide. This page walks you through 3 ways to capture browser screenshots: full page, single element, and headless. Using both Python and Java. Section 2 covers Python. The simplest approach is driver.save_screenshot. Pass a file name and Selenium writes a PNG of the visible viewport. Use the timestamp tab to avoid overwriting old captures. The element tab shows how to crop to a single component. Headless mode requires a window size argument. Section 3 covers Java. Cast your WebDriver to TakesScreenshot. Then call getScreenshotAs with OutputType.FILE. Copy the result with Apache Commons FileUtils. Web element also implements TakesScreenshot, so element captures use the same pattern. Section 4 covers tips and gotchas. Always wait for page load and element visibility before capturing, or you will get blank images. In headless mode, always set window size. Timestamp your file names so C-runs do not overwrite each other. Register an on-failure hook to capture screenshots automatically.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe if you want to see more.